Guys, good evening. Good evening. Shared my screen. Can one confirm you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks for confirming. So, yeah, we are done with the HTML, okay, CSS, then JavaScript. And guys, from today onwards, I'll be starting the React.js. So, whatever the 20 sessions I have covered for the JavaScript, that's all fundamentals to learn the React. So, I'll be starting the React today. On Saturday, I have taken a session for doubts and as well as one a real-time application like how products can be uploaded into the websites from a UI point of view. I hope you guys get a chance to go through on it because the similar kind of thing we'll be doing in React. Almost okay, similar kind of thing we'll be doing in React, but we'll not write that much of code. Okay. Yeah, I'll start, guys. What is React today? Okay, but before that, let me ask you a few questions here. So, yeah, tell me, guys, what is the purpose of JavaScript? What is the purpose of JavaScript?
Validations.
Right, yeah, right. So, purpose of is doing the validations. Right. So, I have shown you some
Browser to
validation.
server, sir. Server to browser.
No. So, validations in the sense, let's say we have a one form. Right. And there are some text fields are there, and you want to check whether the data is entered properly or not, whether it is empty or not, and whether it is alphanumeric or not. Okay, and it is has a between the range or not. Right. So that kind of guys validation we do by using JavaScript. Okay. Now let me ask you one more question here. So yeah. So what is a execution environment execution environment for the JavaScript case. I mean, where JavaScript piece of code is executing. The
In
second
the
question.
browser.
Correct. So in the browser only. And here, let me complete this answer. I think, yeah. So the purpose of JavaScript is you can do only, client-side validations only. Maybe how to take a tour again. What is validation? Okay. Yeah, definitely should know it. Let's say, guys, in Amazon sign-up form, okay, let's say sign in form. Okay. In Amazon sign in form, there are two things I can explain, use case one is, okay, you have not entered, you have not entered your mobile number. Okay. You are not entered your mobile number and you clicked on submit. Okay. So this is, use case one, guys. This is, the use case one. Let's talk to the second use case now. Okay, you have entered your mobile number and you clicked on submit, and then guys here, yeah, then you got a message saying something, enter OTP, enter OTP. Okay, so these are the two use cases. So guys, I'll be briefing again validation because to start React, you should be strong in this concept first of all. Okay. Yeah. So guys, tell me your use case one is what type of validation it is. It is browser validation or server validation. Use case one is browser side validation or server side validation.
Browser side.
Browser.
Nice. So the conclusion is use case one is clearly, a client side validation. And what about the use case two?
Server side validation.
Correct. So what's happening here? Whenever you entered a proper mobile number, okay, or else guys, let's say you entered 8 digits only. Again, that will become use case one. But assume you entered 10-digit mobile number and you clicked on submit, then you got a message saying something, enter your OTP. So definitely this is, a server-side validation. So guys, this is not about JavaScript. Whatever I explained, this is not about, JavaScript. I was discussing in general. Okay. I was discussing in general. So in general, we have two types of validation, client-side validation and server-side validations. Okay, and your client-side validation always done by JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. That's what you learned so far, guys. That's what you learned so far. Now, if you want to do server-side validation, this is very important, guys. If you want to do server-side validation, okay, this is done by your Java, okay, or your Python, okay, your Python, or let's say C#.NET. If it is a .NET, it is C#.NET. So in Java, exactly where we do server-side logics. Yeah, you can do in JDBC servlet JSP. On framework level, you can do Hibernate, Spring, and Spring Boot. Sir, where we do in Python? Yeah, you have to learn Django. And in .NET, where we do it? Yeah, we'll be doing, by using ASP.NET and ADO.NET. So this is something, the conclusion. I think up to here, everyone clear on it. Okay, there is no doubts. And this is also clear, everyone, I believe. Based on this summary, you can see you're learning JavaScript purposes. Just do client-side validation. And the next one is the execution environment that so far, whatever we discussed, only, the browser.
Sir,
Up to here, wait, up to here, if anyone have any queries, you can unmute and please, you can ask. Yeah, go ahead. I think someone is already started. Yeah, go ahead.
sir, if we entered 10 numbers, but it's wrong number, it's server side or client side, sir.
Right, right. Thanks. So if you entered a mobile number and let's say, it's a proper number, but it is not registered, then you'll get an error message, right? This number is not registered with us. So that is, server-side validation. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Guys, I need still one confirmation from everyone. Whatever topics I have discussed so far is all good. Because today I'll be injecting the fundamentals to you on React. Because if you keep React in your resume, they'll ask you some fundamental questions in a beginner level that you should not mess. Okay. Clear this concept? Guys, confirm quick. Clear? Okay, I got multiple thumbs up symbols. Okay, nice. Wait. Shade my screen. Yeah. Guys are able to see my screen? Yes,
Yes.
right? Okay. Okay. Right. Chalo. And let me pose a question here. Yeah, guys, I'll be posting one question here. The question uh, is JS run only on browser? Okay. No, no, no. I don't want to give a recap. Sorry. It's almost 10 minutes, Madhuri. Sorry. Okay. Right. You can just go through the session now. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, I given you one question here. The question is JavaScript runs only on browser? So the answer is, guys, the answer is so far, yeah, this is what we did, right? We run our JavaScript program only browser. But the answer is, guys, no, no. Okay. You can, okay, you can run JS code on server as well. Server as well. I think this is also clear, everyone. So I'll repeat the question again. Guys, so far, if you see, if you want to do server-side validation, you should learn Java as a backend, or you should learn Python as a backend, or you should learn .NET as a backend. But this question, if you see, okay, JavaScript is run only on browser? No, the answer is no. Okay, after so many advanced concepts are added in JavaScript. Okay, there are so many advanced concepts added in JavaScript. After that, yeah, you can run your JavaScript code on server side as well. I think this question and answer everyone clear. If so, the second question, if you see, then the second question is, okay, what is the what is the server name that we can run JavaScript code? So the question is, guys, what is the server name? If JavaScript code run on server, what is the server name? So the server name is, guys, something, Node.js. The server name is something, Node.js. Okay, guys, these two questions are everyone clear, right? I was waiting for your acknowledgement, please. Can I get some thumbs up symbols?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. So that's what I was saying in the day one, guys. Your JavaScript is, a competitor to your Java, Python.NET. Okay. Now, after these two question answers, if we talk about this conclusion, guys, the conclusion will be changed now. See, definitely the conclusion is going to be changing. See, the conclusion is you can do client-side validation using JavaScript, and you can also do by server-side validation by using JavaScript. So that's what I was talking about now. So if you learn a JavaScript, you can do client-side validation and you can do server-side validation also. So far, you learn only client-side validation by using JavaScript. So, and the second question is very important. Our JavaScript code on run server also. The server name is JavaScript. Sorry, Node.js. The server name is something, Node.js. Now, guys, today I'll be showing you the Node.js installation first. But before that, I need, one more question also. The question is, can we develop only, yeah, let's say, yeah, client side pages? I should change the answer. Yeah, can we develop only front end using the JavaScript libraries? Guys, the question, if you see, sorry, I think I need to change the question. Yeah, let me change this. Yeah. Can we develop front end? Can we develop front end? Nothing but this UI. Okay, I'm talking about a UI. Okay, I'm talking about a user interface. I'm talking about user interface. So can we develop UI using JavaScript libraries? Guys, the answer, yeah, definitely the yes. The answer is something, using a React library. Okay, using, a React library, or, using Angular library, Angular library. I should say, the libraries, guys. I should say library. And also one more is there, Nest.js, Nest.js. This is also, guys, one library. Okay, Nest.js, also library. Maybe I'll add this way so that, you won't miss it. So, guys, question 3, if you see, can we develop UI using JavaScript library? The answer is yes. Yes, using React.js library or using AngularJS library or using Nest.js library, we can develop the UI. Nothing but front end. Now, guys, the next question is very, very important. See, can we develop backend? Okay, nothing but, guys, server-side logics. Server-side logics. So, yeah. So, can we develop backend using JavaScript libraries? JavaScript libraries. Again, guys, still the answer is yes. So, using Express.js, Express.js library, and I should say Next.js library. Yeah, guys, Nest is different. Next is different. Don't get confused. Okay, using Express.js library, using Next.js library. Yeah, guys, you can do the backend also. Guys, question 4 is using JavaScript, you can develop front end and you can develop backend. That's the point I want to discuss here. Okay, I'll repeat one more time. If you know JavaScript, if you know JavaScript, you can develop front end for the applications and also you can develop the backend. So these are the front end frameworks and these are the backend frameworks. Express.js, Next.js, other backend library. Guys, up to here, clear everyone? Can I get some thumbs up symbols, please? Guys, can I get some thumbs up symbols? Okay, nice. Now, if you see the question 2, guys, question 2, 3, 4 are interrelated. Okay, question 2, 3, 4 all, interrelated. So now I was, linking all these three question 2, 3, 4 in a question number 5 now. Okay, in question number 5. Okay, where we can run, run, run front-end frameworks code. Front-end frameworks, frameworks logics, and where we can run backend frameworks logics, guys. So if you see this, where we can run nothing but where exactly we can run, where we can run our front end frameworks logics, nothing but guys, React, Angular, Nest. And if you see where we can run backend frameworks logics, backend frameworks, nothing but Express.js and Next.js. Guys, for all, the answer is something, Node.js only. Node.js. By this question answer, you will come to know today why I need to install Node.js in your laptop. Okay. Guys, I think up to here clear everyone. So what I was talking about, we have some front-end libraries and we have some back-end libraries. But where we have to run that libraries? Yeah, we need a server machine. That is something on Node.js. Okay. So Node.js is a server. Guys, Node.js is a server and it allow to run JavaScript code on server. I'll repeat. Please make a note. Node.js is a server which allow to run a JavaScript code on server side. Server side. Not only that, using Node.js, we can run front-end libraries. I mean, on top of Node.js. On top of Node.js, we can run front-end libraries and we can run back-end libraries. Now, today our session is about learning the React, right? Now, if you want to practice React, first you should install Node.js. On top of Node.js, you have to install the React, guys. Sir, my company using Angular. Again, same thing. You should install first Node.js. On top of it, you have to install Angular. Sir, my company is not using React and Angular. They are using Nest. Again, same thing. Sir, my company, they are not using Java, Python, .NET. They are using Java only for backend. They are using JavaScript only for backend. Again, on Node.js, you have to install Express.js library or you can use something, Next.js library. Guys, question number 5, everyone should be aware because I'll be planning maybe this weekend or next weekend a workshop on Node.js because the clients are demanding on Node.js knowledge also. So it should not surprise me on the day. What is Node.js? So Node.js is a server where we can run our JavaScript code on server side also. And one more use of the Node.js is we can run front-end frameworks on Node.js and we can run back-end frameworks logics also on top of Node.js. Does that make sense, everyone? Do you have any questions? Please, you can stop me right away if you have any questions. Or I can get some thumbs up symbols from you. Guys. Guys. Yeah, getting multiple thumbs up symbol. Nice. You can unmute, guys. Maybe I cannot see your chats, immediately. Please, you can unmute. Okay, nice. Okay, what is React? And we'll be discussing in maybe next 10 to 15 minutes. That's okay, but you should know why we need to install Node.js. So
We,
now, if
we,
you see the steps, go ahead.
we can run both at a time, so front end and back end.
Yes, yes, you can run both front end and back end. And let's say, see, back end, front end, nothing but both are different applications now, right? I mean, both are part of one project. Okay, but both are different code bases, right? Different code bases. Let's say a book my show example. Book my show has a front end. Book my show has a back end. Book my show front end developed in React, and book my show back end developed in Express.js. Just imagine. Now, book my show front end will be run on one port number. Port number. There's a concept called port number. I'll be discussing today if time permit. And your book my show backend could be run on another port number. So both will be communicated, guys. Definitely, both will be communicated. Both application we have to run on two different command prompts, on two different port numbers, and they can communicate each other. So that's how at the end of React you'll be learning, not now. Okay. Now, guys, step 1 is first of all, what do you need to do? You have to download, okay, and install, download and install Node.js on your machine. Guys, can anyone unmute just and summarize why this step 1 is required? Guys.
We want to
Why
run
this?
campaign logics
Because you want to run your
to
code.
run JavaScript server.
You should say, yeah, sir, we are learning React. So React is a JavaScript library. Okay, and to run the React.js JavaScript library, we need a server. The server is Node. So that's the step one we are doing. We are downloading and installing Node.js in your machine. And then step two, if you see, install React library. Okay, we are installing React library on Node server, on Node.js server. Then later on, guys, we'll be doing the programming part. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys how to do this. Okay, I'll quickly show you guys how to do this quickly. Yeah, if you want to follow me, yeah, you can follow with me. Directly go to the Google, just type Node.js, just type Node.js in Google. Okay, and you'll have an official website, guys. Just land on that official website. Okay, this is your official website, guys. Okay, this is your official website. So here you can install this Node.js, in a very different ways. Okay, but I'll suggest to directly go with this. I think most of people are using Windows. Okay, just click on this Windows installer MSI file, and yeah, if you click on it, guys, a file will be already downloading. See, 30 MB file. So the version is 22.21.0. So let it be download. And next I'll show you the installation process. And guys, once the installation process is done, okay, once the installation process is done, these two things, guys, you need to do on your command prompt for verification, just for verification. Okay, so here, guys, we were checking the node version. And here we are checking the NPM version. I know you get confused what is NPM. I'll be discuss NPM also today. Don't worry. But these are the two checks you need to do after immediate installation is done. Okay, guys, my installation, my download was done. Okay, my download process was done. Let's do double click. And there is no bigger steps that you need to remember. Just blindly click on next, 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 next. Okay, there is no the steps that you need to record here. Okay, just do next, 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 next. So what you're doing, you are installing one server, guys, now. So my setup, my installation was done. Okay, as I just now explained, just open a command prompt. Okay, just open a command prompt. See, guys, these two commands. Okay, node space -v. Okay, node space -v. See the version 22.21.0. Also check your npm version. Also, I'll be discussing now what is npm also now. Okay, so guys, you can see the version is 10.9.4. You can see it's matching. So this window saying that your installation was done successfully. So let's keep this window side, or you can exit time being now. So this is something in installation of node. Makes sense? Hey, later you can do, man. But makes sense? The step one?
Yes,
Why
sir.
we did the step one? Please confirm, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's spend some time on what is npm now. Let's spend some time on something npm now. Guys, what is module? I think last session I discussed in JavaScript. What is module?
Reusable code
In
using keywords
program,
export
it's
him.
usable multiple times. We can store it in a
Nice,
module.
nice. So nice, nice. Can we say a module is nothing but a library? Because
Yes,
I do
yes, sir.
recall I compared with C, Java, and Python as well. Library. In C, stdio is a library. In Java, java.lang is a library, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
Python also, we have a math library.
Math.
So okay, so in JavaScript terminology, a module is nothing but library. Clear? What is my module? Guys, clear?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Now, guys, I was talking about something npm tool now. Okay, so first of all, the first step, what we did now, we installed a Node.js server. So always a server will be represented this way, guys. Always. Okay. So this is something, your Node.js server. This is you're done now. Your installation was done now. Okay. Now what I was talking about here, JavaScript libraries. I'll write some libraries. So please, segregate which one are from front end, which one are from a back end. Okay, so I'll be writing them. I'll be writing them. Next.js, Express.js, React.js, and AngularJS. Guys, tell me first two are first two are backend or front end frameworks.
Back
First
end.
or back end.
Correct. So this is all clearly back end modules. Can I say modules now?
Yes,
Modules
sir.
are nothing but libraries.
Yes, sir.
Or I'll use the word module here itself so that you won't get confused. Okay. So I'll be discussing now, guys. I'll be discussing now JavaScript libraries or JavaScript modules. Or you can use the same terms, no problem. So these are guys backend modules. Okay. Whatever I have listed here, clearly they are backend modules. Next.js, Express.js, all are backend modules. Now this React.js and AngularJS are clearly front-end modules. Are you clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Now, guys, I was talking about a tool called something, NPM. Okay, I was discussing about something, NPM, and this diagram, I think, clear, right, everyone? NPM is a internal component of Node.js. NPM is a internal tool of Node.js because the diagram is clearly showing you N for node, okay, P for package, okay, P for package, and M for something was module. Node package, sorry, my bad, manager. Okay, node package manager. NPM abbreviation is node package manager. Package is nothing but, again, don't get confused. It's just a word, a synonym of library or a module. So don't get confused. A word package is nothing but the one who from Java, you know what is package, right? So here also. So a package is nothing but it's a synonym of library or a module. Up to here, clear, everyone?
Sir.
Guys, abbreviation and all. Up to here, clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, nice. And let's talk about something, some operation. So today we have to install, guys, React on Node, correct? Guys, correct? We have to install React on Node.js. Are you agree with this statement?
Yes, sir.
Today, I'm installing React on Node. After 1 month, my practice is done. I'll be uninstalling it. And assume I have installed today. After 6 months, a new version has there. Then I have to upgrade it, right? And let's assume after 1 year, I upgraded it, but my project is won't run for the latest version. My project will run on some, older version. Then guys, you need to do something, downgrade. Not only this, I want to create a React project. I want to create a React project, or I want to create a React project. Guys, whatever the blue color one which I mentioned here. Okay, whatever the blue color guys which I mentioned here, maybe I can make a box for you this. Yeah, these are all guys. These are all guys. We have to call it something. Operations. Operations. We have to call something. Operations. I'll write it properly. Yeah, we have to call something. Operations. So operations in the sense. Now today we started React, right? As I explained just now, sir, I want to install React. I want to, install React. So for all these operations, guys, we have to depend on a NPM tool. We have to depend on a NPM tool. That's what I was talking about. I'll repeat last time. If you have a question, you can stop me after this. Last time I was discussing React.js is one of the library, JavaScript library. Today, I'll be installing it. If you want to install, you have to take the help of NPM. You have to take the help of NPM. NPM install React. I'll repeat, NPM install React. After 1 month, yeah, my practices was done. I want to uninstall it. Then you have to do npm uninstall React. After 6 months, I have to upgrade npm upgrade React. After 1 year, I have to downgrade npm downgrade React. And now I have done the installation. Next 5 minutes, I'm done the installation. Now I have to create a project. Now I have to create a project. Again, syntax guys, npm create React project. And yeah, after my creating the project, I have to run the project. Again, same npm run React. Guys, I given all for React, no? Same term you can use for Angular and Next and Express. Let's say I want to install Next.js. Now, same syntax is npm install Next, npm install Express. Like that, guys, the code will go. So npm is a tool. npm is a tool which is used to perform this all operations, guys. Which is used to perform all these operations on your React libraries, guys. All operations you can do by using this npm tool. So npm is a tool. If you want to do this all operation, you have to depend on npm tool only. Do you have some context now? What is npm? Are you still in zero? Guys, are you still in zero?
It's a command to do actions.
It's,
Operation.
yeah, it's just a command, guys. Okay, it's just a command. npm is a command which is used to perform this all blue color operations on any library. On any library, if you want to perform this blue color operation, you have to depend on npm tool. npm is a one internal tool of Node. Makes sense, everyone? Guys, I need quick confirmation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the next, guys, I'll be showing you, how to create a project. Guys, I'm done, right? I'm done with the Node.js installation, right? And I verified the Node and npm also. Both have been verified. Both verified. Now it's time to create a React project. But yeah, before that, yeah, you need a few more fundamentals. But yeah, guys, fundamentals maybe we can learn little later. Now I'll showing you how to install the React now. Guys, I'll be showing you now how to install React on Node.js server now. So I have a couple of documents. I mean, I'll be not giving you much notes, guys. So this is what my everyday notes will be there and program. My most of notes will be on PDF files. Okay. So this is something, the slide I'll be sharing you for installation. So step 1, we are finished. Okay. And you know now what is Node.js and what is NPM, everything you know it. How to download it, okay, and how to install it, and how to verify it. Everything is how I explained so far. And these are the command I just now shown you, node v, npm v, right? Everything we did it. And next case, it's time to install. Yeah, it's time to install the your React only. So there's only one command you have to run it. There's only one command you have to run it. Guys, please make a note. Don't run this command on your C drive because it will take your lot of RAM. Okay, don't do it. Okay, better always go to the D drive. I'll repeating again. Don't create now the React project in your C drive or any desktop. It will take a lot of memory, so your system gets down. I mean, the speed can down. Better you can go other than the C drive. So guys, yeah, I'll be creating here. I'll be creating one folder. The folder name is my UI projects. So please follow it. Other than the C drive, create a folder called my UI projects. Now, inside it, guys, open a command prompt. Am I clear this? What I did so far? Hey, guys, am I clear what I did so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the only one command you have to run it. Only one command you have to run it. There's a command, guys, you have to run it to install and create a new app. Guys, there's the only one command. There's only one command. What this command will do? Okay, this command will do? It will command this doing two operations, guys. What are the below command is that this command is doing two operations. The first thing is you're installing the React library. Step 2 is you're creating your first app also. Two things it is doing. Two things it is doing. The command is npx space create React app space. This is your app name, guys. This is your app name. Okay, sir, what is NPX? So far you learn NPM, na? NPX is a advanced command of NPM. Maybe latter point of I'll discuss the differences, but NPM, NPX both are same. Use it to install the libraries, uninstall the libraries, upgrading, downgrading, and all. Okay, NPX is just advanced command of NPM. Okay, so this is only one command doing the two operations, guys. It is installing React and it is creating our first app also. The app name is my app. Okay, so I'll be copying this command. And what are the command prompt I opened? Just I was pasting it and hit enter. That's it. So guys, it is asking some couple of questions to you. I will ask you some couple of questions to you. Okay, so the okay to proceed. Yeah, you can click on Y. Just type Y letter. Just type Y letter. Yeah. See guys, in D drive, okay, I created a folder now, my UI projects. Under that, first application is creating. The first application is something, my app. Hey, you can give any name, Book My Show, Paytm. Okay, you can give any name. I given a name is something, my app. You can give any name. This command as it is, you need to type npx space create -react -app and my app. I think, yeah, it will take some time to load these libraries. And if you have a good internet, yeah, it will take very fast. Yeah, but yeah, guys, let's pass this. And latter part of I'll discuss other things. Okay, I mean, continuation of this. Yeah, let it be. Let it be. Okay, the only one command you have to run it. Only one command you have to run it to install the React. This is the command. Up to here, clear, everyone? Guys, can I get some thumbs up symbols, please? Up to here, clear, everyone?
NPX
Guys.
means
It's a extension tool of NPM. I'll discuss later the difference between NPM and NPX.
okay, sir.
Both are same. Okay. Maybe in Paint also I'll be mentioning this is NPX stands for node package, some extensions. Extension, that is extender we can say. Guys, please confirm up to here clear. I was waiting for your acknowledgement. Can I get some thumbs up symbols? Okay. Nice. I got some heart symbols as well. Nice. npx command is not running, sir. It shows scripts are disabled on the system. Okay, that's fine. The troubleshooting and all we'll discuss later. Okay. Yeah. So I think, guys, yeah, my installation was done here. Okay. Sorry. My work is done. Yeah. I think, guys, my package or NC around, I shown you, right? 1,324 package were installed in 1 minute. Okay, it's clearly showing it. And also, if you scroll down, guys, if you scroll down, you have a clear steps here. Okay, you need not to ask me or someone here. You have a clear steps here. Okay, so I'll go with the steps first. What do you need to do? Okay, this is step one. You know what you need to do it. After your installation is one, this is a step one. And guys, this is a step two. That's it. These are the only two steps you need to do it now. After this, your installation is done. These two steps you need to do. The first step, you have to tell me what is it. Anyone, please unmute. What is the first step? I'm sure you can
Getting
explain.
into the my app.
Change directory.
Correct. So we created one project now. The project name is My App.
My app.
So CD space My App is nothing but you are entering inside that folder. Okay. Now, yeah, I given you the purpose of npm command. No, let's go back. What is the last command? I mean, what is the last operation? Run. Yeah, that's what. If you want to run, you have to use a command called npm start. If you use npm start, your current application will be running. Your current application will be running. So I'll doing these two steps. Okay, I'll be doing these two steps now right away in front of you. See, cd space my app. Now guys, see, I'm in my app. Now next command, npm space start. Npm space start. Just hit enter. Just hit enter, guys. Yeah. See, guys. Yeah, my application is about to running. Yeah, this is my first React application. As you can able to see now. Yeah, guys, my application is running now. Now, guys, can you confirm this? Am I doing this React project by using Visual Studio Code or without Visual Studio Code?
Without.
I
Without,
didn't
yes,
touch
sir.
Visual Studio Code, correct? Right? Without Visual Studio Code, I was doing it. Guys, just 10 minutes back, just not 10 minutes back, I explained something. I'll summarize quickly here. Using JavaScript, you can develop front end, and you can develop backend also. I think this is summary, everyone. Clear. Now, let's say your project name is Book My Show. Book My Show. Now, you're developing the Book My Show. You're developing the Book My Show using React, guys. Just imagine you're developing using React. And your same Book My Show, okay, your same Book My Show, you're developing the backend by using something like Express.js. Okay. Now, as I just know, I mean, just 15 minutes back, I have explained. Your Book My Show will be running on one port number. Okay, one port number. Let's say the port number is something like 3000, and your backend, okay, your backend will be run on some other port number. Let's take something like 4000. Guys, at the background, you can see a browser is open, and you can see some output here. Yeah, this is the output, guys. This is the output of your first dummy application. We have not written anything, a dummy application output. But can you please focus on URL? Are able to seeing something? Are able to seeing something? Guys, are able to seeing something?
Yes, sir.
What is that? Localhost colon 3000.
3000.
Now you may ask, sir, what is it? I'm a non-CSE background. What is it? Okay. Guys,
Server.
localhost is nothing but your IP, guys. Your local machine IP. Okay. Your laptop IP. Your laptop IP. And this is something, your port number. Your port number. Okay. Here also you can see this is the IP, your local laptop, and this is a different port number. Every application will run on a different port number. So on 3000, your Book My Show front end is running. On your 4000, Book My Show Express.js is running. I think this is crystal clear, everyone. Please confirm, guys. Is this crystal clear?
Yes, sir.
Even if you start your advanced Java from Servlet onwards, or if you start your Django, yeah, definitely, guys, you will be hearing this IP address and port number. So it should not surprise that day. Okay, right. So yeah, guys, my application is running now. Sir, can I remove this, icon, and I can say my name here? Yes, you can do, guys. What do you do now? Go inside my app. Okay, go inside SRC. I think those who attended my Saturday session, you know it. App.js is, a main file for the React. A main file for the React. From here itself, your code will start. I mean, execution will start. Okay, so I'll be opening in a Notepad++. I'll be opening in a Notepad++. And then here, guys, inside the div, okay, this div tag, I'll be deleting everything. I'll be deleting everything. I'll just writing something. Welcome to React. Just do a save. Just do a save and go to your browser. Guys, you can see the output. As soon as you do the save on Notepad, okay, and as soon as you do the save, there's a live reload concept is there. Okay, so it will do live reload, guys. As soon as you do any modification, okay, it automatically affect in your output. So this is what the first application output. I hope everyone clear these 3 steps, guys. Today I have explained. Okay, so the step 3 is running first application. Guys, I have not taken any help of Visual Studio Code now. Okay, this is something all we did, okay, without VSC. Yeah, maybe tomorrow, maybe I can show you how to do this everything by using, with Visual Studio Code. But this is all I did without, Visual Studio Code. Sir, I want to stop this application. Yeah, back to your command prompt. Guys, back to your command prompt. Just do a Control C. Just do a Control C, and it'll ask you want to terminate the job. Just type a letter Y and hit enter. That's it. Now your React application won't run, guys. On port number, it won't run because we already terminated this. This is what I did. Maybe I did little fast here, but guys, you can follow this video please today and finish your installation process. And if you go to this, the PDF, yeah, I think step 2 up to step 2 I finished. maybe the directory structure and all, maybe tomorrow we'll discuss, not today. Okay. This all you don't need to learn it today. And in upcoming session, you can learn it. Okay. So this is something, installation of the React and all. So far, all good? Yes, so far, all good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Now, guys, let's talk about something
sir.
now. Yeah, what is React and why we going for React and all? We'll be discussing next 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So I'll be showing you two projects to you. I mean, two real-time projects to you. One is Big Basket and one is our 360-degree portal, guys. Okay. Two application I'll be showing you now. One is a 360-degree and one is Big Basket. So now, if you see now, this big 360-degree portal, guys, now you're in which page? You're in which page? In 360-degree.
Home page.
Nice, nice. So can I assume that there's a home.html is rendering this content? Can I assume?
Yes,
There's a
sir.
page called home.html is rendering this content.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice, nice. Now I'm clicking on about. Guys, now I'm clicking on about. So this UI content will be changed. Now, can I say there's a one more HTML page called abos.html, which is painting this data? Can I assume?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Now let me click on this clients. Okay. Now again, the content is changed to some clients. Now can I assume there's a HTML page called at server side? The page name is client.html. That is painting this data. Can I assume that? Now I'll stop asking this question again, but can you confirm this last time? You're clear, right? So far I explained 3 HTML pages at server side and each HTML page painting this data from the server. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice, nice. Now, guys, one more thing you need to focus. When I clicking on this links, is this refresh button is working or not? Please focus your eyes. Okay, nothing but from a browser, are we sending a new request to server or not? Just watch it. Now I'm about to clicking on this overseas education. Just watch it. Are you making a new request? And are we getting the new response from the server? Just watch it. I'm clicking on this and see, guys. Yeah, answer me. Are you made a new request for the new page?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Now let me summarize. Whatever the application I have explained now, this is called as multi-page application, guys. In shortcut, we should say MPA. Okay, multi-page application. There are two types of web applications are exist. Okay, in the market, guys, there are two types of web applications are exist. Okay, type one is multi-page. Okay, I just now explained what is multi-page. Multi-page means multiple HTML pages. Okay, multi means multiple HTML pages. For each request, one new HTML page will be served from the server. I'll repeat, multi-page means for every new request, one new HTML page will be served from the server. That's multi-page application. Okay. Now, I think you may guess the second one is single page application, nothing but SPA. We shortcut, we use the word SPA. Now, SPA means single page. SPA means single page, nothing but only one HTML page is there for entire project, guys. You heard correctly? You heard correctly? A single page application is an application which has only one HTML page, guys. Only one HTML page. Now, today you heard React library, right? Today you heard Angular library, right? And today you'll hear one more library called Nest. All are JavaScript frameworks. All are JavaScript UI frameworks. Yeah, I should say the same word. All are JavaScript UI frameworks, which is used to develop the single page applications. Now you may have a doubt here, sir, why the single page application is now has a huge demand. And I just now explained one use case. This 360-degree, let's assume 100 pages are there. Imagine a 360-degree portal has 100 HTML pages. So for every request, a request will go from your laptop to server. Your laptop to server. and that page will be rendered from server to client. If you make 100 requests, yeah, 100 times this is going to be happening, right? So that's, more traffic and more time it will take, give the response for the users. So it will be definitely slow. It will give a very slow performance. Okay, that's the reason, guys, they introduced these frameworks. The reason they introduced this React library, Angular library, Nest library means to develop, a single page application only. I'll repeat one more time. Single page means only one HTML page will render all the data. Now, if you see this home page, about us page, IT finishing, all this content, yeah, we can render by using only one HTML page only. Now, I'll be showing you one more page for you. I mean, one more website to you. Yeah, our 360-degree portal is MPA. Now, let's go to the one more project called something, Big Basket, guys. Your Big Basket is SPA, guys. Your Big Basket is SPA. You can also watch it now. Okay, you can, because I worked on this project, I know it. So they developed by using this is, React only. Okay, and yeah, now they migrated to Flutter. Okay, so what I was talking about, now you're in home page. Now let me click on T. Just imagine this refresh button is working or not. Just click on T. See, we got the T products, but there's no refresh that you have observed here. Click on ghee. Again, still the guys, same. You'll get the ghee related products. There is no new request that you made to the server, but you got a response. Because whenever you open this Big Basket web page first time, whenever you open Big Basket page first time, only one page is, I told you, no, index.html. That index.html is loaded into a browser machine. The complete index.html loaded into the browser. Whenever you click on anything, it won't go to the server. It will take from that index.html and painting to us. That's beauty of your React. Okay, so that's what I was talking about now. Maybe I'll go back to my index. So what I was discussing today is, wait, where is that? I have an index on my, yeah, this is guys the index I was talking about. Actually, these two are we completed, correct? Can anyone please unmute and tell me? Are we finished this? ECMAScript modules?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. Are you finished this fifth one today?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you finished this React intro, MPA versus SPA?
Yes, sir.
Right. Are you finished? What is SPA frameworks?
No, sir.
Hey,
Ah,
okay.
yes, yes.
What are
React,
SPA frameworks? React, Angular, Nest,
Angular,
all are
Next.
SPA frameworks only. Right. Yeah, guys, you need not to worry. I have beautiful notes for you. Okay, this is the notes I'll be sending. So yeah, I can spend some time here. See, what is MPA and SPA? Everybody should know it. So first we'll go with MPA. Okay, see guys, MPA means where each page request load a new HTML page. I have practically shown you this. Where each page request loads a new HTML from the server. Okay. Now let's scroll down. You can see what is SPA. Hey, you can spend some time on other bullet points. They're also, give more meaning. Okay, just spend some time on this next two bullet points also. Next is SPA means single page application. Now, if you see, after the initial page load, I told you no. When you open www.bigbasket.com, one HTML page, nothing but index.html page will load it into your browser. Okay, see, that is what. After the initial page load, the content is dynamically updated without reloading the entire web page. Okay, and the examples are, if you see, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Google Docs, all are best example for your single page applications only. Now, guys, this is what the second question. If you see, what are JavaScript frameworks are available to develop the SPS? Yeah, React by Facebook, Angular by Google. Yeah, today we are starting React, right? So React is given by Facebook, guys. Okay, and Angular is given by Google. And you do have something, Vue.js, Sled.js, Embed.js. I worked with this first two. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to work on the remaining, but I know the first two guys, React and Angular both. Okay, so I think the second question also clear everyone. Next guys, you can see what is React. Yeah, now straightforward you can say React is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook guys, and this is for mainly developed for SPS. SPS. Yeah, you can read this points later, and these are building blocks, components, virtual DOMs, and all. Yeah, guys, why React only? Yeah, these are all advantages. I cannot answer. I mean comment on these points because I'll be discussing this entire topics one by one. What's virtual DOM? What is components? Okay, component is a building block of complete React. Yeah, and yeah, fifth one is very interesting to you. Java percentage. Yeah, guys, if you learn React, you can apply the job role for front-end developer. You can apply the job for React developer, and you can apply the job role for full stack developer. A full stack means I know Java and then React. I know Python and then React. I know .NET and React. Yeah, you will become a full stack developer. And also you can apply a job role for UX developer. And whatever React guys I have explained, this React for only desktop applications. Sorry, only web applications only. You cannot do with React. You cannot do mobile applications. With only React, you cannot do mobile. Sir, I want to do React projects also. Then guys, you have to learn React Native. So React Native is advanced of React. Make a note, please. React Native is advanced of React. Okay, React Native used to develop the mobile application, guys, purely for mobile applications. React Native. You cannot directly learn React Native. First, you should learn React. Then only React Native will be you have to learn it for mobile application development. Now, Big Basket, I open, this is developed by React. Now, if I download an app, okay, from App Store or Play Store, and if I use it, that is developed by React Native, guys. Okay, I think you got the differences between the both, I believe. Okay, right. So that's about, this point I was talking about. Yeah, job opportunities. I think React Native. See, you can apply this many roles, guys. If you learn React, yeah, you can apply for these jobs. And the next one is this: which company projects are using React? See, Facebook, Insta, Netflix, Uber, WhatsApp, Spotify, all are guys, developed by React only. Still, they are in development stage. I mean, still they are using React. Yeah, guys, these building blocks. Yeah, this will be my chapters. I given just one line answers here, not more than that. Only one line answer I given. Okay, so yeah, I'll be discussing what is components and everything from tomorrow. But if you want to understand the code of React, you should know one more thing called JSX. That's actually my first topic today. Yeah, mine as a prerequisite. Yeah, I'll be starting what is JSX from tomorrow. Once you know what is JSX, yeah, we are happy to land on the coding part. Yeah, happily land on. So guys, I think as per this content, almost 80% I covered, except this JS and this 4.7 building blocks. These two have not covered. What is JX and what is building blocks? So I'll be starting tomorrow's session with JSX, and I'll be starting with building blocks. In building blocks, I'll start what is components from tomorrow. And before I want to wind up, I want to show you one more thing also. Open your Visual Studio Code. Okay, open your Visual Studio Code. Everyone knows, right? Now I created one project na Indeed, right? Just I'll be browsing it. Okay, I mean open a folder, go to read, right? My UI projects. Yeah, my app I created, right? Just open it, guys. Please do this as well today. Okay, sir. Once repeats part. Hey, I'm almost end of the session. Sorry, man. Can you just go through the session again, please? Maybe last 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, what do you do now? When you open this folder first time, just click on trust. Okay. Now, guys, what you did now? A React project is created with this command. What is the command? Yeah, this command created a one React project. The project name is my app. And you have not created this all files, guys. These files are automatically created. This command will do that. This npx command, will create this all the folders and files for you. I know you don't know this all. You don't know this all. I'll be explaining pin to pin. I mean, one by one file I'll explaining tomorrow. Don't worry. What is node modules? What is public? What is SRC? But one more thing what you can do try today. One more thing what you can try today. In a home page, I mean in the menu bar, you can see terminal. Okay. In menu bar, you can see a terminal option. Click on terminal. A terminal nothing but a command prompt only. Okay, so okay, don't get confused again. A terminal nothing but a command prompt only. And can you see here a PowerShell, right? Guys, this is not your command prompt. It's a PS nothing but PowerShell. Don't use a PowerShell, please. Double check it's a PS or not. It's a PowerShell. Now you have a plus symbol here. Okay, this plus symbol. Beside the plus, you have a drop down. Click on drop down and select your command prompt, guys. Because I'll be giving a node commands from here. Okay, so second, where it is? I think it's gone. Let's click on terminal. Yeah, guys, I was talking about this. 1 second. Let's delete this everything. What happened? I'm gonna do split terminal. Let me decrease the font size. It's kind of messy to me. Yeah, this is also. Guys, I was talking about this. See, there's no PS, so we should go with the without PS. PS PowerShell. Now, what is the command I ran to run my project? What is the command that I ran to run the project? I mean, the command prompt
npm
was shown.
start.
npm
Ah.
start.
But before you do npm, okay, double check, guys, whether the node version is showing or not here. Okay, double check. In this command prompt, your node is showing the version or not. Again, check the npm version also. npm version also. And maybe you can check npx also. See, both are same. I told you, no. Guys, both are same command. But there's a small difference is there. npm and npx. I'll discuss tomorrow, no worry. You can see the proof, both are same command. Okay. Now, after that, guys, double check you are in the current project folder or not. My project name is my app. Okay, double check. Without double check, don't run the commands blindly, please. So double check you are inside the folder or not here. Yes, you are inside the my app project. Now, guys, run your command npm start. npm start. See, yeah, it will running my project now. It is running my project now. Yeah, it started my library. Guys, you can see this is the output. Sir, I want to change something. Yeah, go to src, app.js, and change it, guys. I'll just writing my name. Okay. And this is a bubble, right? Unsaved file. Just do a control S. There's a reload option. I mean, auto save. Automatically, guys, you can see the output on your browser. See, you can see the output has changed on IP localhost and port number 3000. And yeah, you may have a doubt, sir, which version of React we installed? Okay, you may have a doubt, which version? So there's a file called, guys, package.json. Okay, there's a file called package.json. Just go through it. And line number 10, yeah, in your resume, if you mention React, they'll ask you, hey, which version of React that you practiced? So the React version, guys, that I installed 19.2. But sir, you have not mentioned anywhere that you are installing 19.2. Yes, I have not mentioned. I know it. Whenever you did this command, guys, whenever do npx space this command, automatically it will install the latest one only. Latest one, nothing but the current latest version is 19.2. But sir, how do I go some older versions like 18 or 17? Yeah, again, you have to do downgrade by using npm command. So that's all I'm not discussing today. But guys, double check this all. Okay. Now, again, if you want to stop this application from here, again, type the same command Control C and just type a letter Y and hit enter. Yeah, your application is terminated. If you go to browser and just refresh, yeah, your front end is won't run because you already terminated it. So that's all about today. I think, guys, whatever the things that I have planned, I think almost I covered all except this JS6 and what is this building blocks. I'll start tomorrow. Any queries? I'm about to close.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, we can control port ID, sir.
Come again, Rohit?
We can control the port ID.
I
What
mean,
we want.
you want to change the port number, Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can change. Default port is 3000 for a React project. You can change and you can run also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Guys, all good? Guys, tomorrow we'll see the continuation. Good night.